Say goodbye with a twist. Catch you later. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our exciting journey through English phrases and idioms. Today, we're focusing on a popular and informal way of saying goodbye. Catch you later. This is a fun phrase used in informal, casual settings among friends, colleagues, and acquaintances. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. Catch you later is an informal phrase used to say goodbye in English. When you say, catch you later, you are basically saying, goodbye, or, see you later. The term is light-hearted and signals that you intend to see or speak with the person again in the future. Here's a sample conversation for context. Person A, I've got to get going. My bus is about to leave. Person B, all right, catch you later. Remember, while this phrase is very casual and friendly, it may not be suitable for very formal or serious situations. The phrase, catch you later, originated in the United States and has been used since at least the mid-20th century. It's a perfect example of how English speakers love to play with language and create new expressions. The word, catch, in this context means to meet up with, or see. So, when you say, catch you later, you're indicating your intention to meet the person again soon. Catch you later has several variations that carry the same meaning. Here are a few. 1. Catch you on the flip side. This is a more playful variant, often used in American English. It's considered slightly outdated but still understood and occasionally used. 2. Catch you in a bit. This phrase implies that you will see the person again soon, typically later the same day. 3. Catch you. This is the shortest form of the phrase. It's very casual and used often in relaxed, informal settings. Well, that's our quick journey through the phrase, catch you later. It's a great, friendly, and informal way to say goodbye in English. Remember to use it in the right context and you'll sound like a native in no time. Thanks for joining us today, and as we've learned, catch you later.